Scott here. Today we're reviewing a Savannah, Georgia-based heat and air company we turned inside and out, providing local residents a helpful industry review of Comfort Air. Larry and Sandra White are amongst one of the most respected owners in the heating and air conditioning industry, and this company grades out with excellent marks across the board for outstanding customer support, reputable reviews and testimonials, and more. So if you live in Savannah, Rincon, Tybee Island, Pooler, Bloomingdale, or over in the Landing area and you need some heating and AC services including repairs and installations, check out Comfort Air. From amongst 100 plus HVAC contractors in your area, Comfort Air is the only company receiving our seal of industry excellence. To learn more about Comfort Air, check out their details below and give them a call today. Again, congratulations to Larry and Sandra and their entire team.